long time since I made a video like this. So I'm going to Hawaii in 2 days and I still have to pack. And I decided I wanted to make a pack with me video just because it's been a really long time since I've made one. The last time I made one was when I went to London and France like 5 years ago or something like that. And so I just thought it'd be fun to film one for my trip to Hawaii. I do have a lot of the stuff already picked out that I'm bringing, but I just wanted to kind of show you what I'm bringing in case you're going on a vacation that is similar and you don't really know what to pack. I have been to Hawaii 2 other times, so I do feel like I have like some knowledge of what I will need and what I don't need or what I won't use. So I'm just going to show you what I'm packing. So, okay, I'm bringing this suitcase, which is, I know it's really big, but my other suitcase is too small, so I'm just going to use this one. And I am flying Southwest, so I don't really have like any sort of restrictions in terms of just like bag size that I have. I don't know how to explain it. Like, Southwest doesn't have as many restrictions as other airlines, so I can pretty much bring whichever bag I want. So I'm gonna bring 2 beach towels, and I'm gonna start with those because I want them at the bottom. I'm bringing 2 because I just don't like when my towel gets like super salty and sandy. So like, it's fine if it gets sandy, you can just shake it out, but if it's salty it gets like sticky, and at a certain point you can't really like use it the same way. So I'm bringing 2 so I can like have a fresh one halfway through my trip. And we're going to the Big Island, which I've been to the Big Island before. I went there like when I was in high school, so it's been a really long time. But yeah, we're just going to the Big Island. I'm going with my 2 sisters. And then the next thing I'm bringing is swimsuit, which I'm bringing a 1-piece, just this one. And then I also have a 2-piece, which I already packed in my personal item. And I'm doing that because I am checking a bag and I have a layover in Honolulu. So in case, which I don't think my bag will get lost, but if it does get lost and they can't get it to me for like a whole day or something, at least I'll have a swimsuit. And then in addition to my swimsuit, I'm going to bring a rash guard, just because I feel like they're really good to have when you're snorkeling or when you're out in the sun all day, just like floating in the water. We're gonna do a few like snorkel, we're doing I think 1 snorkel excursion, and then we plan to do some like snorkeling off the beach, and I just really don't want my back to get sunburned. I already have my like underwear and socks and all that. Okay, I'm also going to bring this baseball hat, and like, I'm not a fan of baseball hats, but I feel like I need something to protect my head because I get sunburn a lot, like right along my scalp, and I don't want to bring a big like floppy hat because I want to wear this for hiking and stuff. So I just bought this one, and we'll see if I actually wear it or not, but hopefully I make use of it, even though it was like $5. I don't know where to pack this. I might put this in a little bit. Another thing I have that's really nice is this laundry bag, and it's small, but I just put like my socks and dirty underwear in it, and so they don't like mingle with the rest of your clothing. It's just kind of convenient to have this, and I got this from shop, what is it, like AOS or something like that? I think so. It was like $1, so yeah, I'm just gonna bring it. I don't always bring it on trips, but I'm bringing it on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna bring 2 different swim cover-ups because this one is like 3/4 length sleeves, so it might be kind of warm, and this one I bought for my honeymoon and I never wore it. I actually had my honeymoon in Hawaii and we never ended up wearing it, so I want to bring it again just so I can maybe get some use out of it. And if I don't wear it, I'll probably just sell it because I'm never gonna wear it if I don't wear it in Hawaii. the hotel that we're staying at is like Hilton, what is it called? I can't remember. It's in Hilo. So it's like a pretty nice hotel, but we don't plan on spending much time there. I'm not really like a resort type of person. I'm more of a, that's so loud. I'm more of a like adventure seeking vacationer rather than just like a go to a resort and like sit on the beach type of person. So we probably won't be at the hotel very much, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And then I'm bringing a pair of jeans. I was thinking of wearing these on the plane to save space, but I don't think I'll need to save space, and these are not very comfortable, so I'm just bringing these in case it's like cold. And we were thinking of driving halfway up Mauna Kea, just to like get a good view or something. I think there's like some sort of visitor center up there that you can visit. Okay, and then pajamas. I also have a pair of pajamas packed in my personal item, and then I'm just bringing a pair of shorts and a t-shirt. So I'll have 2 pairs of pajamas. Where is my shorts? Yes, my little rainbow shorts. And I don't really mind re-wearing pajamas a few times. It doesn't bother me. I'm like really not that sweaty of a person, so like it doesn't gross me out. And then I'm also bringing a pair of leggings, so if I want I can sleep in these. And I am wearing sweatpants on the plane, so I can sleep in those too. These are like leggings for hiking, and I also have a more athletic style shirt. And then I'm bringing this really cute romper that I got from Nordstrom Rack. Like, I think last year. It's like very rainbowy. I planned out my wardrobe in advance, and I tried to stick to like kind of a color scheme, and I decided I really want to have a really like colorful color scheme for this trip because I just feel like Hawaii is like a very colorful location, so I want my clothes to kind of match that, and I know a lot of people like don't think about that, but I do. And then I have this other romper. It's just like a overall style like skirt romper, and I already rolled these up just to like save time. So I'm bringing 3 dresses. I love dresses, and I feel like they're so easy to just throw on over your swimsuit. The first one I'm bringing is this one, which I got this in Hawaii on my honeymoon, so I really want to bring it again because it's just really colorful and casual, and it's Billabong, so I feel like that's like, I don't know, made for the beach, you know? And then I have this swimsuit, which I just got. I'm really excited to wear this one. It is also super colorful. It just looks like this. And it's very like light fabric. I think it might be like rayon. And then the other dress that I'm bringing is like a midi dress. I need to do an alteration to this one, so I'm not going to pack it, but it's just like tie-dye midi length dress, and it's really cute, and it just reminds me of like a vacation, so I think it's a good dress to bring. Okay, so I'm going to bring 3 pairs of shorts. It's probably too many, but I have plenty of room, so I'm just going to bring them. I have like these shorts, which I got from Target recently in the sale section, and they were really cheap, and I just really wanted to wear them. And then I have like a white tank top to go with those. And it's just this one. And then I have some denim shorts, and I'm going to pair this with those. It's like a white, like loose light green shirt. And then I'm also going to wear this top with those denim shorts. And this shirt is actually my own like brand. I have an Etsy shop where I sell clothing, so I really wanted to photograph this in Hawaii. So if you're interested in that, I'll have a link down below. But yeah, I'm really excited to wear this. I'm like obsessed with it. I love the colors and it fits really well. And I did sew it myself. This is a sample. And then for the third shorts combo, I have like these kind of like khaki sort of off-white shorts with this top. It's like embroidered. And then I have this top to go with it too. It just has these cool knot details on the sleeves. And the reason I'm bringing so many outfits is just because like I don't know what I want to wear. I think I'm bringing a few extras. I'm not really bringing like a ton, just a few extras. But I also have like just a white t-shirt in case it's like chillier or I decide I don't want to wear one of those tank tops. And then I'm gonna bring this sweatshirt. It's just like a yellow sweatshirt. And the reason I'm bringing so many tank tops instead of short sleeves is just because I really don't want like a farmer's tan, because I'm already starting to get one because I wear a lot of t-shirts. So I'm just trying to bring like tank tops mostly. Okay, and then I have 2 masks. I'm gonna have one in my bag too, so I'll have 3. I think they just lifted the mask mandate for inside in Hawaii, so I probably won't wear them too much, but if it's like crowded or I'm going on some sort of tour or something, then I'll wear one. And I am like triple vaccinated. I'll put these back here. And I guess I'll put my hat in now so it doesn't get crushed. I like to, if I'm bringing a hat, I like to kind of like put something underneath and then like put things around it so it doesn't get like crushed. Okay, I have my shoes. I'm going to wear a pair of sneakers for hiking. And then I have 3 pairs of sandals in a bag that I'm just going to check. And I'm going to wear my sneakers on the plane, so I'm not going to pack them. I have like an extra pair of sunglasses. I have another pair in my personal item bag, but I definitely want to have 2 pairs at least. I think I'll probably only bring 2 because I don't really think I'll need more than that. And then I am bringing my GoPro. This is like 1st or 2nd generation. I don't really remember, but it's like old. But it's okay, like it still works really well and it has like alright footage quality. But yeah, I'm just gonna bring this. I need to charge it still though, so I'm gonna leave it out. And then I'm bringing snorkel stuff, like fins, a mask, and a snorkel. But I also need to rinse those off because I put them away with sand on them, so I'm not going to pack them yet. I just have them right here. And I have my jewelry. I think I'll put that in here. An extra mask in my bag. I have hand sanitizer in my personal item bag. This is the bag I'm bringing as my personal item. It's just like this really cute Ted Baker backpack that I got from Nordstrom Rack. I have some snacks in here for the plane. And then I have my swimsuit and like pajamas. And I'm going to pack a tablet with me in here because I want to upload like Netflix shows and movies and stuff on it. I don't want to use my phone because I don't have earbuds yet and my phone doesn't have like a jack, so I'm just going to bring a tablet for that. And I also don't want to bring my computer, so I'm just using my tablet for like other stuff too. And what else do I need? Okay, so I think I'm like almost done. I just need to put a lot of stuff in the bag, and I need to bring like just random electronics that still need to be charged, and then makeup and skincare type things, shampoo, conditioner, hairbrush, all that stuff I still need to use, so I'm not going to pack it yet. But I don't really bring anything all that interesting. I do have 2 different kinds of sunscreen that I'm bringing. I know Hawaii just passed like a law that you have to have reef safe sunscreen. I'm just bringing these 2. They say that they comply with Hawaii's like rule. I'm not sure if they'll work everywhere because I know some places are more strict, but where I live in California, like they didn't have any of those sunscreens that are like on like the list of preferred sunscreens, so I'm just gonna bring these and we'll see if I can like use them everywhere. If I can't use them for like a day, maybe I just won't wear sunscreen during that like time period or something. And then I'm bringing like this water bottle. I think I'm gonna bring this one. I'm gonna see if I have a smaller one, but I'm just gonna empty it and bring it. But it doesn't fit in my personal items, so I don't think I'm gonna bring it on the plane, but I wanna bring it so I have water during the day while I'm out and about in Hawaii. And then I have these little things that I got from Target. You just put stuff in them, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that stuff. I need to fill those still, so I'll probably do that after I film this. And I'm just going to go through my list of the things that I still need. I have to pack bras, sandals, sneakers, that, sunglasses, sunscreen. I'm also going to bring like ibuprofen. That's probably all I'll bring because I get headaches sometimes, but I don't know. Camera, I still need to charge that. Toothpaste and toothbrush, obviously I need to use those still. I need to pack my tablet and my headphones. Floss. And then I have to get my National Park Pass for Volcanoes National Park, which is in my car, so I think I'm pretty much ready, aside from those things I have to pack tomorrow, but yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully someone else is going to Hawaii and wants to know what they should bring, but I'll see you in my next video. I'm actually going to have like a video from my trip after this one, so keep an eye out for that, and thanks for watching.